Good morning students. Today we are going to read 7th standard English lesson Ekalavya. Scene 1. Dronacharya's ashram. Drona is standing under a tree surrounded by the Pandava and the Kaurava princess. Drona, I am very glad, my dear boys. You have learnt all the tricks of archery that I taught. Practice them well. Arjuna. But we know only to aim at an object seen at a distance. You have not yet taught us the art of shooting at an unseen object. Drona. Yes, Shraddhavedi. It is the most skillful trick in archery. Aiming at an object merely by the sound. You shall learn by and by. But who comes here? A boy enters and bows to Drona. The boy, Great Acharya, Ekalavya, the son of Hiranyadhanus, prostrates before you. Drona. Long live, boy! Hiranyadhanus? Is he not the hunter chief of southern forest? Ekalavya. Yes, Acharya, but he is no more. Drona. Oh, what a pity. He was a bold hunter. Indeed, you look equally bold. What brings you here, my boy? Ekalavya. Owls have increased in my forest and the ponds have no safety. I can't bear to see the poor animal troubled by the greedy wolves. I must learn archery in order to protect the ponds in the surroundings. So I have come to you. Great Acharya, please take me as one of your pupils. Drona. Your thought is indeed noble. Arjuna. Noble indeed. But Acharya, he is not a prince. How can you have him as your pupil? Drona. That is true. But I am sure he will prove our pupil. Ekalavya. Acharya, teach me archery just enough to save my dear pawns. Take pity on the poor animals. Drona. My woe binds me, my boy. I can't take as my pupil anyone other than a Kshatriya or a Brahmin. But my blessing go with you. May you prosper. Ekalavya. Great Acharya. Keep your vow. Your blessing shall be my guide and shall help me to reach my goal. You are my Guru. Though I may be far away from you, I will learn archery with your blessing. Ekalavya prostrates and goes out. Scene 2. Poised scene. 2 years later, Drona's idol decorated with flowers on a platform under a tree. Ekalavya bowing before the idol and some deer grazing peacefully at a distance. Ekalavya. Addressing the idol. Great Acharya, how kind you are. You have taught me archery well within these 2 years. What good luck is mine to have you as my Guru. I have achieved my goal. My dear pawns are now free from trouble. Look at the deer in the distance. How peacefully they are grazing. Ekalavya. Hears the barking sound of the dogs in a distance. Huh? This is not the halls of owls. The sound is coming nearer. The deer lift up their heads in fear and run to him. Have no fear, my dear animals. No dog or wolf shall disturb your peace as long as I live. He shoot arrows in the direction of the barking. The sound stopped. Oh, quite a big party of hunters. How wicked they are to set their dogs against the innocent animal of the forest. Oh, what do I see? My guru with his pupils. Enter Drona with Arjuna and other princes, and a dog with arrows in its mouth. The poor dogs whine helplessly. Ekalavya prostrates before Drona. Ekalavya, Acharya, Ekalavya, the son of Hiranyadhanus, pays his respects to you. Drona, arise, my boy. God bless you. What a skill you have gained in archery in this short period. Your teacher must indeed be a great one. Arjuna, really? This boy has mastered the art of aiming by sound. Ekalavya, it is all the result of your blessing, great Acharya. I learnt all the tricks of archery under your kind guidance. How kind of you to visit this poor abode of your humble pupil. Arjuna, Acharya, you promised to make me the greatest archer in the world. But here is a boy who excels me, and he says you are his guru. Drona, Arjuna, you know, I have been with you always. It is the devotion of this boy that has made him a good bowman. Arjuna, whatever it may be, Acharya, you have not kept your word. Drona, Ekalavya, if you claim that I am your teacher, you will have to give me a Guru Darshana. Arjuna, Acharya, so was it really you? Arjuna, Acharya, so was it really you? You have not kept your promise. Drona, dear Ekalavya, if you say that I am your teacher, I deserve Guru Darshana. Can you give your right thumb as a Guru Darshana? Ekalavya, do not accuse the great Acharya. Oh, Prince, I cannot bear it. His promise to you shall be kept. Goes to the idol, bows before it, takes his knife from his belt, cuts off his right thumb, puts it at the feet of the idol, takes it again and comes back to Dronacharya. My noble master, here is my Guru Darshana. I request you to accept it and bless me. This forest is now free from wolves and other cruel beasts, and my deer pawns are safe. I have no more need of my bow. Turning to Arjuna, Prince, you are now the greatest archer, as you will not have a competitor in me. The Acharya's promise to you is fulfilled. Drona, what a noble soul! God bless you, my dear boy. God bless you. Do you know, children, how to read this lesson? Try and try very well to read. Thank you.